guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be what day are we on? Day 4 of my Christmas makeup tutorials. 12 looks of Christmas. This one isn't crazy Christmassy. It is pretty much because I really fancied using the James Charles palette, but it could be used around about Christmas time. It is red and gold. It is a little bit orangey at the top there as well, but it is red and gold. I did a little bit of liner on my eyes. You know, you have to try and jazz it up every so often. So this is just kind of, it's very simple. There's nothing really too crazy going on in it, but I just wanted to do another look because it's like a week until Christmas or something like that, and I'm totally running out of time. So this is day 3 of my 12 looks of Christmas. I really hope that you enjoy this look. And if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. If you enjoy, obviously I'd love it if you'd give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I'm going to be posting a little bit more often this week just to try and get some videos up before Christmas. And yeah, I think that's it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey guys, so today's tutorial is going to be a real quick one. Here I'm using the James Charles palette and I'm picking up You're Kidding, which is this most beautiful red shade, and I'm really just kind of throwing this into my outer V just now because I had no idea where I was going with this look. Then I picked up 518 if I'm not mistaken, and I just blended this sort of out into a sunset-y eye. These two shades blended really quite nicely together. Here I'm picking up So Good on my pinky finger, and to be honest with you, I wasn't that impressed with it. I didn't go in with it wet, which I probably should have, or I could have put in a little bit more of a sticky base, but there was a sticky base there already, just not really my favourite shade in the palette. And then I just ran You're Kidding underneath my lower lash line. Really simple look. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. I lined my waterline and threw on some lashes. I did put the little sort of pink lines that you can see in my crease, but I didn't show them because I was right up against the mirror trying to film it. But that is pretty much this look complete. Everything that I used will be listed in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!